Hello, everyone, and welcome back to OEvent's YouTube channel. Once again, it's me, Daniel, the project manager here at OEvent. And today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to create an event. Now, this video is actually going to be split into two different parts. We're going to have a part one and part two. The first part is just going to be how to create an event, super simple and easy way, all our basic information. And then the second one is going to be more advanced settings and advanced features of creating an event, just different things that you can do with emails and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and get started by logging into the system or to the website, just as always. Once I log in, we're going to go up to this banner right here, and it's going to say create event. I'm going to go ahead and click that. That's going to take me to the main page where we're going to fill out all the information that I need for my event to happen. All right, this should usually only take you in between 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to take me just a little bit longer than that, just because I'm going to stop here and there and explain a couple different things. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just name my event. Let's just do something super random and casual. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and choose single day. You can also choose a multi-day event if you're going to have, an event happening from say the 8th of July to the 12th of July. You can select a multi-day event and then select those days right here. See, the 8th to the 12th. But I'm going to just go ahead and make it simple and just do a single day, right? Uh, there we go. And I'm just going to choose, let's say, the 8th of August. I'm going to have my event start at 10 in the morning and end at 7 p.m. at night. A little bit late, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and now go to event type here. This is where you can go ahead and choose if you want your event to be a local, in-person, physical event, or if you want it to be online. Right here, if you do online, if you use Zoom to host meetings or video meetings, anything like that, or Facebook or anything of that sort, you can just input the URL here, and people will see that when they find your event. Over here, we'll just go ahead and click local. We'll input the address of where my event is going to be held. Go ahead and put that in. And once I'm done, I'll just click outside of the box and it'll auto-populate all the other information that the system needs, as you can see here. Second step, we're going to go ahead and choose an image. We have a pretty large library of default images that you guys are more than welcome to use right here, as you can see. You can go ahead and just click one of these and it'll pop it up. And if you don't like the one that you chose, you can select another image and go back and redo that. Or if you don't like the images that we have, you're more than welcome to click on upload an image, and that'll pop up your little file folder for you so that you can choose any images, personal images that you'd like to upload. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and use that one, and we're going to continue on. Right here is the description. You can, just provide any details that you need to provide to anyone attending or anyone who is interested in your event. You'll just go ahead and add something here just so that people kind of know what your event is about. So I'm just going to go ahead and do something really quick and dirty and simple. And, oh, misspelled come there. There we go. Fantastic. And as you can see here, there's a couple tools and things just to kind of make it a lot prettier. You can bold it, underline it, different things like that, change the text color, things like that. So we'll just go ahead and keep it simple on my end. But once I've done that, now I continue on to step 4, where I choose a category that I want my event to be under. So if it's an event that's going to provide some product training or some business training, or if it's going to be an international event, anything of the sorts, just select the category you want it under. For me, I'll just go ahead and do personal development. And then right here is where you will add any keywords, just to make your event easier to find, so that people, when they go search it, they'll type in whatever keyword that you guys have that you have set up, and it'll show up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put awesome as one of the keywords, and then Daniel will be one of the keywords, and just anything that you think will be easy for people to see. And right here, visibility, this will determine whether you want your event to be public so that anyone on OEvent or anyone that visits OEvent can see it, or if you want it to be private. If you select private, the only way people will be able to see it is if they have a link that you provide to them, the link to the event. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it public so that everyone can see it. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and click add free ticket. That's going to allow me to continue on and select, the ticket, the title that I want it to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and say early bird. Oh, spelled early wrong. And then go ahead and choose how many tickets of those I want. I'll go ahead and say 50, and in the description of the ticket if I want to add one. That is not required. I'll just go ahead and put something in there. And then, just so you know, just want to make a quick note. This right here will not show up. I have an admin account, and so there's a couple things on here that you might see that aren't on your OEvent account. Not to panic. That's just because my specific account that I'm using is an admin account, and I see a lot of things that people don't. So this right here you won't be seeing, and you most likely won't be seeing the paid ticket button yet. So just so you guys know. Okay, now that I've created all that, I'll go ahead and save my event, and it'll let me know that it's been successfully saved. And then I'm going to go ahead and click live. Boom, and just like that, my event is live and on oevent.com. To go ahead and look at it, I can click the drop-down menu here, click Manage Events, go to Organizing, and it'll show up right here under Daniel's awesome event. So once again, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make another video after this one. It'll be a part 2 of this video explaining more in-depth things that you can do. And as far as things that are here in this page, that'll be on yet another video, later video that will be uploaded. So if you guys want to check that out, you're welcome to. All the videos pertaining to these things will be on our YouTube channel. And other than that, thanks for watching, guys.